Namaskar, Deepak. Today, my whole video would rotate around this Deepak. Deepak, it is not only a light, it is something very vast embedded into this. The clay, the ignition, the oil in it, and the history of Lord Rama. Lord Rama was such a personality who was sent by nature to give a perfect design of life to the human being. Real son, real brother, real husband, real king. He gave every aspect. He was the son of Dashrath. Kaushalya was the mother. And then he followed their instructions. उन्होंने माँ बाप की एक एक बात को भगवान का आदेश समझा. He followed each and everything dictated by the parents, sacrificed everything, and he was sent 14 years in a forest for meditation to stay away from the kingdom due to some reasons, some commitment of the father with the mother. That was the other mother, the other wife, Kakeyi. So this Lord Krishna suffered. What? But with great devotion, with great happiness, no regret, and then finally there was some other king who made some crime and took her wife Sita to that Lanka. And then after a big fight, big strength, big godly powers, he conquered that fellow, and that day is celebrated a victory on the evil, Diwali. So this Lord Ram Rajya, the way of life, he has given all this to the humanity. No other king on this planet Earth did like that. No doubt Krishna was having 16 kala, but his lifestyle was different. So today we are celebrating Diwali, the festival of lights, the festival of victory on the evil, the festival which can dictate a design to our coming generation. And that design we need too much in this materialistic world where everything is falling apart. हर चीज टूटती जा रही है, परिवार टूट रहे हैं, दुनिया टूट रही है, सत्य की कोई परिभाषा ही नहीं रही. There is no definition of truth, everything lost. So in this, if we follow the man of this Deepak, Lord Rama, रामा न आ सके मेरे घर, मैं रामा के घर चला गया। रामा न आ सके मेरे घर, मैं उनके घर चला गया। उनकी आंख से देखा मैंने दुनिया को जब, तो सारा अंधेरा चला गया। उनकी आंख से देखा मैंने दुनिया को जब, सारा अंधेरा चला गया, सारा अंधेरा चला गया, सारा अंधेरा चला गया। राम ना आ सके मेरे घर, मैं राम के घर चला गया। राम ना आ सके मेरे घर, मैं राम के घर चला गया। जब मैंने देखा दुनिया को उनकी आंख से, सारा अंधेरा चला गया। So our culture, our Vedic culture should unite, get empowered, and should give something to the whole world, पूरी दुनिया को कुछ देते हुए चले जाना। दिवाली को दिवाली ना कह देना। Don't celebrate this Diwali only for the sake of Diwali. Be strong, be united. All the caste and all that should get united and give a big message to the world to see toward Hindustan, to see towards India and follow all this. So Diwali has a different definition for me, has a different eye for me, and this Deepak is a life. If we change our eye and see with a different eye, this Deepak is something very great. Suraj, the sun is in this, the soil, the earth is in this, the air is in this, the water is in this, whole universe is embedded into this Deepak. Is it a Deepak? It is something fantastic, but we need an eye to see it. Similarly, we need an eye to see Rama. Rama. That was not only Rama, that was breathe in and breathe out. If we read their scriptures, the Ramayana, properly, we will be rather surprised. It is very sad that most of the coming generation in India, the young generation, don't know about Rama because some outer forces infinitely misled them just to avoid their proper strength, just to make them handicapped. So today I am not going to take long. We talked about this Deepak, Diwali, so we need to think about this Deepak, this Diwali, and the strength, power, and the ignition at the back of this. My goodness, it's loaded with energy. Change your eyes, change your mindset to read this Deepak, to read this Diwali, to read Lord Rama, to read his life. We are missing a lot. We are lost. We are lost. We should come to senses. Diwali, Diwali, Diwali. Now, think about this. I will be there again in front of you with something more powerful, more meaningful, more genuine, because we are losing genuineness. We are doing things for the sake of doing those. We have no route, we have no focus, we have no mission, we are lost. We don't want to be lost. Whole world should come and see, what is this Deepak? What is this Diwali? What is this Rama? Rama, Rama, Rama. राम ना आ सके मेरे घर, मैं राम के घर चला गया. उनकी आंख से देखा दुनिया को, सारा अंधेरा चला गया, सारा अंधेरा चला गया, सारा अंधेरा चला गया. Okay, namaskar. And I will be there in front of you again with something very logical, very genuine, very powerful, very scientific. Okay.